guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. I wanted to do this video for this part of the painting for such a long time, but there was no opportunity for it. But recently I had the opportunity present itself to do this kind of job, and the job is popcorn sealing. So I've done the job so you can have a look how it's done, and then once you have a look, I'm gonna explain what I've done with all the segments of work and what I've used for the work, and I'm gonna try to answer some of the basic questions. Stay tuned and watch the video.
You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so
So for
pretty?
everybody out there who doesn't know how the popcorn sealing works, let's do a little bit of history on the popcorn sealing. They start doing popcorn sealing in 1970s, and it was the best way of saving money for budgeting, because it was the cheapest option of doing sealings, and at the same time it's supposed to be soundproofing. So they killed in one hit they killed 2 flies, but the main fly was the money, the saving on the job materials and painting and everything else. Me personally, I don't advise anyone to remove the popcorn sealing. If you have a popcorn sealing, you need to check it if it's asbestos one or not. That's the first thing. Second thing, if you're gonna remove it, you need to put the new sealing, plasterboard sealing, because one of the reasons they put the popcorn sealings on a ceiling is to cover all the concrete slabs, imperfections underneath this concrete slab. So if you start removing it, it's gonna be big job, and then you have to, you know, patch it, and still it's not gonna work because of the residue that's used in the popcorn sealing material, that glue that you need to really clean really very well so the paint sticks to the concrete. The process I've done on the video, as you can see, I've used concrete glue. So what I've done, I just sprayed the concrete glue on the ceiling. What the concrete glue does, when it dries, it holds all the popcorns ceiling. It doesn't come off anymore. It can come off if you push it too hard, of course, but it doesn't come off, and it's used to come off. And it seals the popcorn ceiling, so it makes the like thin membrane on the top of the popcorn ceiling, so when you paint, you don't use much paint. For that ceiling that you've just seen the video, I've used only 1.5 drums, about 20 liters of paint. So that's for dining, hallway. Let's say for the 2-bedroom unit, you need about 2 drums of paint. You can use any ceiling paint, any flat ceiling paint. You need to spray it. The only way you can do popcorn ceiling is spraying. Rolling is out of the picture. No way you can do it with rolling without removing most of the popcorn ceiling. And another thing is, if it gets wet, everything can come off. So it's gonna create more problems. So the best way is to do it, to do this kind of work is spraying, and you need a proper machine for spraying to spray the glue. Otherwise, if you use the small machines that you can get from Bunnings or any smaller tool stores, that you think you can use it one day and a couple of times and that's it. No, you have to use a proper machine for this, because you won't be able to spray that concrete glue. So another thing, yeah, you need to know how to spray, of course. Tip size you can use for the same tip size as for any walls and ceilings. And that will be it basically. If you do have any questions after I explain everything, please leave it down below. I'd be happy to answer it. Thank you guys. Please subscribe if you want. Give us a like.